At California Pet Pharmacy, we believe healthy pets are happy pets. We know that every dollar counts, so we suggest affordable alternatives and generics for common medications. With alternatives, you can save up to 50% off on a variety of your pet's medications. For HeartGuard Plus, we recommend Iverheart Max. And for an alternative to Trifexis, we recommend Sentinel. For pets with skin issues, we suggest substituting Atopica with Cyclosporine and Simplicef with Cefprodoxime. Check out the Buyer's Guide on our website for more alternative medication options. At California Pet Pharmacy, we take pride in finding savings for our clients.